I think that's better. So first of all, let me go ahead and apologize for the title of this video, because the video is a little bit deceiving, because I wanted people to see this video since it's going to be quite a crucial video for the channel. The thing I'm going to be announcing in this video here is going to be something that could potentially hurt the channel quite bad. So I have to make sure that people see this video so they don't suddenly see my videos on their newsfeed and think, who the hell is this guy here? I want to make sure people, they see my videos and they go, oh, that's from that guy, and then they click on it and they see my stuff, and you know, they don't get confused about who is this weird random person we never subscribed to that is appearing on our newsfeed. So the thing is, I'm not deleting, I'm not removing, I'm not doing anything to remove content from YouTube. I'm not deleting the channel, but I will be changing the channel a little bit, which is something that I have been wanting to do for a long time now. Something that's quite dangerous to do is, you know, renaming your channel and just sort of re-identifying yourself on YouTube. So really quickly, just let me apologize for the deception of this video, because I know that the title says something dramatic that will probably make you think, oh my god, is Mmtuts leaving YouTube? Is he deleting his channel? Is he gonna go away forever? Where's my new tutorial? That last one there I see quite often. So I just want to address a couple of things in this video here. I have been wanting to change my channel for quite a long time, because right now Mmtuts stands for multimedia tutorials, and as you would know it, that kind of limits me to making multimedia tutorials on the channel. And it's kind of a fun thing when you start YouTube, because at some point when you make your channel, you're gonna have to come up with a channel name, right? You think of something really stupid like Charmifees, which my channel used to be named back in the days. Then I changed it to The Gaming Viking, because that was back in 2012 when everyone was doing gameplay videos become famous on YouTube. And then about 3 years later, I changed my name to Mmtuts, which was at that point when I met my fiance. Well, I actually didn't mention that. I got engaged in the meantime. Kind of got this really awesome looking Nordic, well, you can't see it. I got this Nordic looking, you know, ring with hands sort of like grasping each other with a heart in between. It's kind of a, I think it's kind of a neat Nordic engagement ring for a guy to have. So she got a diamond ring, I got this thing here. So I think, you know, it's like, it's how it's supposed to be. But back to the point, I have been wanting to change my channel name for a long time, and it's quite dangerous to do so, because if you were to take your channel and maybe throw a couple, you know, 270,000 subscribers on top of that, then you end up in a place where, should I change my channel name? Because now if I change it, all of this success is gonna go away. It's quite scary to change the channel name once you have been established on YouTube, which is why I want to address in this video, it has to finally happen. So let me just go ahead and address why it is that Mmtuts isn't working anymore. First of all, if you call yourself Mmtuts, which stands for multimedia tutorials, then you're pretty much limiting yourself to only making multimedia tutorials. And something that people might not know about me is that when I started YouTube back in 2012, when I started my YouTube channel back in 2012, I actually did a bunch of different videos. They're not on my channel anymore, but I actually did a lot of different videos on the channel. It was during the glorious times of gameplays becoming popular. PewDiePie still only had about 12,000 subscribers, and no one was famous on YouTube, just yet. And during that time, I uploaded just about one video a day for about 4 years, which means that I had 365 videos a year made for 4 years, which means that I had a lot of different videos on my channel. And these weren't just like gameplays and tutorials, because I had a lot of different types of videos. But my point is, I was making a lot of different content that I really enjoyed making back then. And today I'm just sort of limited to multimedia tutorials. And you might be asking, well, why, Daniel? Why are you only making multimedia tutorials? You can just upload whatever you want to the channel and still call yourself Mmtuts. Well, that's actually the thing, because I have tried to do so in the past and it sort of backfired on me. Why? Why, Daniel? Why are you uploading stuff that isn't a tutorial? At the moment on YouTube, I have this weird persona from what I've been told, that I'm this professor, you know, a professional, uptight guy who is very serious about his things, and he tries to make everything look as perfect as possible. And he's kind of like, you know, there's no personality in my videos. I'm just sort of like straight up teaching and, you know, just it's pretty much just like saying what I need to say for the videos. People who know me in real life will know that I'm not actually an uptight guy in real life. In real life. I've always been sort of the goofy kid in the class back when I was studying like many years ago, and I'm still this sort of like kind of goofy person when I'm with other people and not by myself. So what I'm doing in this video here is I'm actually trying to just sort of leave everything in. I'm not trying to put a cage around myself where I'm just gonna try and be this uptight professor type that's teaching tutorials, and I'm actually gonna try to just be myself in this video while I'm announcing what I'm gonna do to the channel regarding the changes to the name. Did I actually mention that I was going to change the name of my channel, or did I just sort of assume that I already said so? In that case, I am changing the name of my channel. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I do have sort of an inconsistent upload schedule when it comes to uploading videos to my channel. And it has a lot to do with the fact that I have been making multimedia tutorials for about 7 years now. I would love to be able to also upload other content to the channel. With being a YouTuber, once you hit that point where your channel is actually your livelihood, there is also sort of a pressure to expectations of what you need to upload. Suddenly, your channel might go from being yours to being the subscribers, because the viewers get to decide what needs to be uploaded to the channel. And I'm not saying they decide in any sort of aggressive sort of way. It's more about, you know, what they expect you to upload, because I have had a tendency to upload a particular type of videos that might have been popularized. And then suddenly all my viewers are expecting that type of videos. And when my channel name is also named Mmtuts, then of course it's expected that I upload multimedia tutorials. So my point is that I would love to be able to upload something than just multimedia tutorials. I'm not saying I'm gonna quit multimedia tutorials, because there will still be multimedia tutorials, but I also want to be able to expand my horizon. I want to be able to upload gameplay videos if I want to upload that. I want to be able to upload vlogs of either my pets or just like me going to the gym or something, because I don't know if you've noticed, because I do tend to hide away my stomach underneath the camera, but I have gained a little bit of weight. I'm at 95 kilos right now. I'm at 85 kilos. I sort of gained 10 pounds there when I said it. And I just bought myself a gym membership and I need to go to the gym. I haven't been doing it for a couple of weeks because we got ourselves a new pet in the door. He's kind of like a baby, so we've had a lot of time put into him. We need to like feed him 3 times a day. We need to make sure he has everything that he needs. He's constantly begging for attention. So there's a lot of things that has made me sort of absent from the gym. And I know, excuses, right? You just go to the gym, and I probably could, but I want to be able to go to the gym and have fun. So therefore, once he's still like that tiny, I'll wait off a little bit with the gym so I can get rid of this stomach, but you know, I will get in shape again. I need to regain my spark for creating videos on YouTube, and it does sort of require that I do something besides multimedia tutorials. This one's scared when I talk to the camera, by the way. Something people might not know about me is I actually have a lot of different other channels on YouTube, because I was sort of afraid of uploading different content to this one. So, you know, it is quite important for me to change the channel name, so it sort of, I don't know, allows for me to create something else besides multimedia tutorials. I'm okay. Are you okay? Oh, you don't like it up there. So what kind of content should you expect on my channel from now on? That is the question. You're probably going to be asking me, well, oh, don't bite there. That's my groin. What are you doing, Merlin? Merlin. Daniel. What kind of videos are you gonna upload to your channel now, huh? Are you gonna abandon all your tutorials? Are you gonna stop uploading multimedia content? What about the courses you haven't finished yet? Daniel. They're still hanging there. Well, I can't really say for sure what exactly I'm going to upload to the channel, because that's the whole point about changing the name for my channel. I want to be able to just sort of give it some sort of freedom. I want to have a bright future for the channel where I can upload whatever I want to upload to the channel. Do I want to make a gameplay video of me playing an indie horror game where I maybe want to support some indie game developers? Do I want to create a tutorial today? Or do I want to make a vlog about this guy here? Because I don't know if you've noticed, but we have quite a few different animals. And to be completely fair, I've only shown you about half the animals that we have. We have a lot more. Basically, I want to upload things that I find fun to upload. I don't want to just upload content that is expected of me to upload. For example, the PHP course that I'm redoing right now, I'm expected to upload the next episodes. The object-oriented PHP course or the C# course, because you want to see some more projects in C#. There's sort of some expectations there that I have to upload certain types of content, and I just want to unbind myself and just upload whatever I want to upload to the channel. I am aware that my decision is going to probably make some people mad at me because they just expect multimedia tutorials. How dare I not just upload multimedia tutorials? That is what my whole channel is about. It's so easy just to pick up your recorder, just record something really quickly and upload it to YouTube. It literally takes just an hour to do. No, it does not just take an hour to do. And yes, it does require a lot of energy and effort to do so. What are you doing? You want to get on the desk? You can go on the desk. Okay, well, we're not gonna go on the desk. Now, during this identity change to my channel, there will also be a few people who might not be too happy about the direction that I'm taking this channel here by changing the identity of it and changing the type of content that I upload to it. Like I said, I'm not removing content. I'm still uploading multimedia tutorials. I'm just also opening myself up to other types of content. But there are still going to be people who are going to get mad about this transition here. And I just want to say that I'm sorry that I can't please everyone. It's something I have to do to make myself happy about going into my office and making a video for YouTube, because I can upload just whatever I feel like uploading to my channel without being restricted into only uploading multimedia tutorials. There will still be multimedia tutorials, but I also want to open myself up to other types of content. I've been dreading to make this video because I've been preparing this video for about 2 weeks now. I've been trying to figure out how to record this video, how to set it up in some sort of way that would make sense to get the best possible outcome when I upload this video. And if I have to be honest, from a scale of something to 10, I'm like 8 out of 10 afraid right now that uploading this video is gonna hurt my channel bad. But even though I'm afraid of changing the channel and I'm afraid of whatever outcome might come from this, it's something that I have to do to make myself happy when it comes to, you know, making stuff for this channel here. So now, where do we go from here? Because I'm announcing that I'm changing the identity of my channel, but I haven't actually done anything yet to the channel besides uploading this video here. So what I'm doing, what this video is going to be doing, is announce that in about 3 days from now, I'm going to be changing the banner of my channel. I'm going to change the logo of my channel. I'm going to be changing the type of content that I upload to my channel. There's going to be some changes there, and it will hurt my channel in some sort of way because I have branded myself as Mmtuts, but it's so important for me to change away from Mmtuts and into Dani Krossing, which is going to be the name that I'm going to change the channel name to, that, you know, it's just something that has to be done. Why Dani Krossing, you might ask? Well, my name is Daniel, and I thought it sounded a little bit more catchy saying Danny than Daniel. Krossing is something that, because, you know, like I mentioned, we're engaged now, we are considering changing our last name to Krossing. So why not, you know, do that with a K, I should mention, with a K, not with a C. So it's going to be Dani and then Krossing with a K. It just sort of makes sense to put your actual name on the channel when you want to upload personalized content with yourself besides just, you know, multimedia tutorials. So that's what the name of the channel is going to be going forward. I do know I'm going to get a lot of support in this video because I'm sitting here saying that I'm afraid people are going to get mad, you know, stuff are going to happen. But I also know that 95% of my community here are supportive and they're just happy that I'm doing stuff that makes me happy. So I just want to say, I'm not only afraid, I'm also very relieved that there are people on my channel who are just very supportive of me. So with that, I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you at some point in another video, which I'm gonna have to start thinking about something that I want to upload now because my hands are free. I have been unshackled. I can now do whatever I want on this channel. So thank you.